wanted to jump on here and say thank you to Miss Molly Pruitt. Hey creators, it's Shayna from Krause Kreations. I just wanted to pop on here real quick and say thank you to one lady, a very special lady in my life. Alright, so this person that I want to say thank you to, her name is Miss Molly Pruitt. Molly and I were stationed in California together, specifically at Beale Air Force Base. This was in 2015. Molly was a very nice lady that lived in California while I was stationed at Beale Air Force Base. And in 2015, I was really starting to get curious about the sewing community. I really was wanting to, not really grow my business because I wasn't, I didn't know that Krause Kreations was actually even going to be a thing. But I really just wanted to branch out and learn how to sew. So what I did was, I don't know if you guys are familiar with the online, the Facebook yard sale pages, but basically it's like a yard sale that you would have at your garage in your driveway, except it's on Facebook. So anyways, the page that I posted on is called Beale Air Force Base Yard Sale Page. And what I did is I posted on there and I said, hey, is there anybody out there that's willing to teach me how to sew? ? Send. Right? So I'm just thinking like, oh yeah, nobody's gonna, waste their time on me. Nobody's gonna want to use their supplies on me or anything like that. So not even a day later after I posted that, Miss Molly Pruitt from Beale Air Force Base commented back and was like, hey, I know how to sew. I would love to teach you how to sew. So me and her, we had a few communications back and forth in Messenger, and what came down to it is she invited me over to teach me how to sew, right? Okay, so fast forward to the date that Molly and I had set to where we would meet up. She invited me over to her home, and basically she set up a learning environment for me in her dining room table, honestly. So prior to me coming over, she was like, hey, this is what you're gonna need, this is what you're gonna need to bring over, blase blase, right? Okay, cool. So I did that. I ordered my little sewing machine on Amazon, got a few supplies and brought it over. This lady literally took her sweet time with me. She taught me how to sew, okay? She taught me how to embroider. She taught me about the different types of threads. Molly taught me about the different types of needles. She taught me about the different type of threads. She taught me how to wind a bobbin. She taught me about the different fabrics. She taught me about the different tearaways as far as embroidery goes. Miss Molly Pruitt has been such an influential person to me in my life, and I'm just forever thankful, and I will forever be thankful for you, ma'am. I cannot believe that you took the time on a stranger, you invited me over to your house, you taught me how to sew, and we've maintained communication ever since then. I'm not that person where I'm going to be messaging you or texting you every single day, but we know that we have this friendship that will not be broken, and I just wanted to jump on here and tell all the world, anybody who's watching on my YouTube channel, on my Facebook, or wherever I decide to post this little thank you. I just really wanted to say thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Miss Molly Pruitt, for taking the time on me, for teaching me how to sew. I'm so thankful for you. I have not forgotten what you've taught me, and I owe Krause Kreations to you. You taught me how to sew, and that is like my main seller right now in my shop. My dolls, my keychains, which all evolves around sewing. So I really just wanted to say thank you, ma'am, and I hope that you are having the best life with you, your husband, your kids, and have a great day.